smokes, Batman. 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 Do you realize I am Batman? Yes, Batman. Are we going to the moon? We're going to the moon. Buy Bitcoin. What's going on? You're probably wondering. This guy's wearing a pink hat, man. This guy's wearing a pink hat. What the hell is he wearing a pink hat for? Take time for you, my friends. The wellness reset. Okay? Remember, this is the beautiful, lovely 8:30 morning show with Alex O Crypto ASMR version. Not. Who's FOMOing in? I wore the hat for the FOMO people out there. You know, we all want to FOMO in because Asia seems to keep pumping the damn market. What's going on, guys? Hope you're all doing well. B Team Crypto with the pink dinosaur. See, I'm not the only one repping the pink today. All right? I'm not the only one. Okay? Darren does things. He's trying to figure out how to message me because there's 50 fake accounts out there. And, you know, we have great mods and we have people deleting them and banning them and all that stuff. But, however, they seem to wiggle their way through and bug people. So, if you do get a message, it wasn't me. Thought she caught me on the counter, and it wasn't me. So, what's going on, G Corp? Hope you're doing well, my friend. Hope you're doing well. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. We got a blast off. We're going to outer space. We're going to outer space. He's still long from 33,600. Wow. Wow. So, we had a nice profitable day yesterday. We didn't hold our long, which we probably are wishing we did. But, however, we're doing okay. Making that profit. Some good $500 yesterday, I think. So, we're doing all right. We keep filling the bags. Our HODL portfolio is going to the moon. And we're all singing the praises. And we're wondering if we'll ever come down. Correct? Because the poll today was saying everybody bought over 25K. So there is an opportunity for this to come down. Now, I did snatch some up around 20 and under 25. So I'm just under 24K, I believe. My average is just under 24K. However, if you haven't bought up the Bitcoin yet and you're feeling a little bit of FOMO and you missed the dump, there might be a retrace for you, but there might not. This is not financial advice, but we are here looking at the charts. And what can we see, my friends? What can we see? Well, we can see some things that are very, very obvious that we would like to point out, okay? We are now pushing up to the next volume node, okay? 37,000, baby. We are knocking on 37,000's door. We're like, hello, Mr. 37,000. How you doing? Hope you're well. But we're coming up. And you're not going to stop me, all right? We can see we're coming up to this level, okay? So also, what can we see? Lunar Beach's crypto. He might be on the show tomorrow. So many of you better come by. We're going to pick Lunar Beach's crypto's brain. We're going to talk a lot of smack. We're going to make sure that he gives us all the information that we want because we're going to pick his brain, Mr. Lunar Beach's crypto. So be ready for tomorrow morning, 8:30. Be there or be square. Lunar Beach's crypto will be on the Otter Gang show. Okay? We got him here. You like my art? Did I do well? Come on. I got the otter. I got the wave. Come on. Say, hey, Alex, you're an artist. Great job, okay? Okay? What's going on, Dave Digital? Hope you're doing well, man. Don't you know? Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Let's go. So, what can I see? Okay, so we can see that we're getting above this volume node that we did put in just now. Okay, so that's nice to see. Now we're coming up to this volume node up here. So cool. What can I see though when I look at this weekly chart? Okay, what can we see? I can see that the key support here, ooh, that we're getting above here is 36,500. Okay, why do I say 36,500? Because there's some closes here, okay? There's some closes here. You see the closes here? Oof, 36,500. So if we are going to retrace, if big if, okay, my friends, if we do retrace and we're looking for a bounce, 36.5 might be the opportunity, because right now the otter is flying to the moon, okay? Because this is utterly ridiculous. This is going to outer space. We are going into the otter stratosphere, and you are utterly beautiful for being here. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to smash up that like button. Thank you for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. Now we're getting to move to 37,000. We are knocking on the door. Alex O Crypto, Dave D just typed a lyric from a song. Oh, wow. Don't you know? Pump it up. So we have some things to look at. Hi, Dave Digital. Whoa. Big moves, man. Big moves, man. Big moves, man. Big moves. Big moves. So trying to find this resistance for you guys. Now, my biggest suggestion for all you guys is don't short this. If there's any financial advice that I don't have, that I would give if I had it, it's don't short this. 36.5 is the macro POC. See, I like that. DDT coming through. DDT, I'm going to hold you to a collab, man. I want to get you on this show. So we're going to have to get... I've already talked to Jonathan Schaefer, the man, the myth, the legend, the man in the chair. We're going to get Schaefer on the show, too. So Darren does things. You're up next. So we're going to get you on the show, too. What's going on? The Brave Toaster's in the chat. Good to see you, my man. The French toaster himself, man. Just not ready for no maple syrup. That's the one, right? That's the one. That's the one. Maple syrup, French toast. Let's go. Thank you for dropping by, French Toaster. Much love to you, brother. Hope you're having a wonderful day. A wonderful day. So we have some levels. We have some levels like we always do. We always are prepared for you guys. Okay? Always. Always. Okay? Bang. Oh, man. Blind. I'm blind. Okay? Okay. And we're going to look at these levels. However, before we look at these levels, I'm going to tease you a little bit. And we got some things to read. Okay? Some things to read. Some things to read. So why did this happen, guys? Why did this happen? So there's some news going around right now. There's some news. Mind your eyes. Mind your eyes. There ain't no dark mode for this damn thing. There ain't no dark mode for this. I look for the dark mode. 12 Bitcoin ETFs have brief window for SEC approval starting tomorrow. So this is today. Okay, guys? This is today. This is today. This to add to the FOMO, okay? Starting tomorrow, there will be a small window during which the SEC could approve 12 pending Bitcoin ETF applications. That approval could include the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, according to Bloomberg analyst James, how would you say that? Seyfarth? Come on. This is a joke of the morning. Seyfarth? Seyfarth. Guys, how do I say this word? Is this Seyfarth or Seyfarth? James Seyfarth. James, maybe it's James. James said the rationale when the SEC gave itself a deadline extension for pending ETF applications, it chose Wednesday, November 8th as the last day of rebuttal comments. It's also possible that the SEC could approve several between now and November 17th. So from now till November 17th, there's going to be a lot of FUD, right? Are they going to approve it? Are they not? Who knows, right? But require all funds to begin trading on the same day. Delay orders were issued by the SEC for BlackRock, Bitwise, Van Eck, Wisdom Tree, Invesco, Fidelity, Valkyrie. Okay, all these big wigs. Okay, so this tweet got posted in our Discord as well. Thank you, Jonathan Schaefer. And he said, new research note from me today. We still believe 90%, guys, chance by January 10th for spot Bitcoin ETF approvals. But it comes earlier. We are entering a window where a wave of approval orders for all the current applications could occur. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. All I know is that kid got bullied growing up. Mr. Safeart. TM, hello. How's it going, man? Much love to you. Hope you're doing well, man. So, this is some pretty interesting things. So from now to the 17th, we could get the approval of all of these ETFs. Now that would be quite bullish, my friends. Quite bullish. I ain't talking no bullish. I'm talking bullish, man. I'm talking bullish, okay? So press buy, not financial advice. Okay, so very, very interesting news. Now, what can we see with the Bitcoin price? As a trader here, we're always looking at where the price can go, okay? Last night, we gave some good calls, some good ideas. We're like, okay, it's going to pump. We can see it's pumping, but we have some resistance above us. We have some key levels above us as well. So we were looking at this objectively thinking, hey, this was our hint, okay? This was our hint. On the daily here, Schaefer and myself were like, okay, green dot printing. Okay, we said green dot printing right here. We can draw verticals. That would be better, wouldn't it? Oh, there's the tag for so we said green. It's not. It's pasting. Is it Alt V? Alt V. Sorry, Alt V is a vertical, by the way. And then you can hit Control and click on it and drag it over. Did you know that too? Control, click on it, drag it over. Click on it, drag it over. Click on it, drag it over. Just saying, little tricks of the beautiful trade. Okay, so green dot printing. Let's look at this. Green dot printing, money flow astronomical. Okay, Astro, right? Travis Scotting. Okay, moonbags. I don't know how to explain it any more bullishly. Okay, look at the VWAP. Okay, VWAP crossover. Ha, ha. This says I'm going up, man. This says I'm going up. Stop me. Okay, that's what it says. Reset from the massive pump. Whoa, look at that. Looks like like Olympic ski launch pad. You can see the guy with his skis here just flying, right? With his arms just flailing backwards like Superman, right? Okay. So, massive bullish sign yesterday. Okay, massive bullish sign yesterday. We were talking about that in the Discord and on the live stream. Okay, so we watch for these things, okay? We watch for these things. Now, we have made a higher high. We could be looking at a bearish divergence, okay? This is not off the table. We could be looking at a bearish divergence, okay? We are still traders. We look to short and buy, okay? However, I would not short right now. I would not short. There's so much FOMO coming today due to this pump, due to this news, okay? Due to everybody and their brother missing the move last night because Asia pumped it on our asses, okay? I'm feeling it. I don't know. Are you feeling it? Tell me. Tell me. Can you dig it, sucker? Who's that? Booker T. Booker T. So, we are watching for this. This could be a bearish divergence coming up. However, we don't want to fight it, man. We don't want to fight it. Okay, we get the otter off the screen. We'll spin the otter today. Which way are we going to go, guys? Say stop. Say stop. You guys aren't typing stop. Stop. Hey. So the otter says we could be going down. Who knows? 50-50 if you're taking your bets. Right now you've had a pump. Maybe you're looking for a little bit of cool off down to this beautiful trend line here. A little bit of a wiggle, 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 wiggle. And then a continuation upwards. We could see that. Absolutely. We are knocking on 37,000. We have broken out of this beautiful Beautiful triangle, if you want to call it a triangle. Okay. Very, very nice moves. We're getting moves across the board, however, too. We're getting moves across the board. Okay. What do I mean by that? Well, we got Cardano, right? We got Cardano. ADA's breaking out right now. I hold ADA, so I'm biased, not financial advice, okay? ADA and one additional Ethereum rival leading in development activity. Sentiment. Is that supposed to be sentiment? The 9th largest cryptocurrency. Whoa, that's huge lettering, man. Why is that on 150%? The 9th largest cryptocurrency by market cap is leading in terms of blockchain development activity. So that's pretty cool. Sentiment says that over the 30-day period, Cardano is the top blockchain in terms of development with 502.57 GitHub comments over the 30-day period. So massive, massive news. Okay, so this is good. Cardano is trending. Charles is talking. You know, the blockchain oracle Chainlink and interoperable blockchain Cosmos hubs, Atom takes 7th and 8th spots. Okay, so APT, you know, so lots of news going on. However, we're all looking at Ethereum, wondering why won't Ethereum just pop already? Okay, it's because there's a lot of other things going on in crypto right now. Okay, a lot of other things going on crypto right now. We can look at Solana, the ETH killer, they call it. Solana, the ETH killer, flying. Okay, Matic, you know, Matic's doing all right. I'd say it's doing all right, but ADA is coming up to another key level of resistance at 38 cents. Okay, can we see it get to 40 cents? Very interesting. But ADA's flying off the handle. Okay, ADA's flying. Very interesting to see for ADA. However, we see a move from Bitcoin, and we see this. We see only this from Ethereum. Like, are you kidding me? Come on, Ethereum, pack your bags and let's go. Come on, Ethereum. You can do better than that. We have a key level of resistance above us around 1950. Okay, in the year 1950, Ethereum started to pump. Okay, so to me, Ethereum right now is coiling up. Okay, it's coiling up, looking to pop. However, it hasn't done so yet. Hasn't done so. One thing I also wanted to bring to your attention, okay, my friends, this is some good stuff here. We go to total 2. What's total 2? It's the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. Excluding Bitcoin. Guys, look at this thing, man. Look at this, man. This is alpha. This is the alpha. If this breaks out, if this breaks out, okay? If this breaks out, we're going to the moon, baby. We're going to the moon. We're going to have to get our spacesuits out. TM is in 17 logs. Let's go, TM, man. Let's go, man. Good morning, Rodney Cowden. Hope you're doing well, my friend. Thank you for dropping by and checking out the live, man. We're just going over some ideas here. Why Bitcoin popped, some news. You know, the SEC won't let me be. Now some FUD. Okay, now some FUD. U.S. SEC may delay Bitcoin ETF launch even after approval. This is not bullish. SEC's decision on BTF ETF looms, but launch may face delays even with approval. Okay, so gotta think both ways. Remember, we can't just be I was a perma bear. Ask Lunar Beaches Crypto. Ask anybody for a while. I was almost as bad as Ben Cowan. Okay. Almost. However, to launch Bitcoin ETF, 2 SEC approvals are required. One for trading rules and one for the ETF's details and risks. Okay, out of 12 applications, 9 have shown they're working on their ETF details and have communicated with the SEC's corporate finance in charge of the ETF details and risks. But if the SEC says yes to trading before the ETF details are finalized, the launch could be held up. So this is just giving the counter argument, right? Because we like to give both sides here. We like to not just, say press buy even though press buy could have worked yesterday. We just made a new high. Wow. We just made a new high, guys. Look at this. We are pushing, baby. We made a new high on ZoomX, not on Bybit. Okay. Look at this. All-time highs of the year, man. We're at 37,150, man. 37,150. Are you guys witnessing this? This is amazing. This is amazing. I was able to catch that 35,290 yesterday. Awesome job, Rodney. Awesome job, man. I love seeing you guys win. I love seeing you guys win. It's fucking awesome. It's fucking awesome. Yeah, we had a decent day yesterday for sure. For sure, right? We had a decent day yesterday too. I'll show you guys. I always show you guys the trades from yesterday, okay? Look, we made $300, then we made $134.74. These were kind of risky trades. However, we got out and we paid ourselves, okay? You know what? Looking back now, we would have loved to hold this 35,700 scalp trade. Who would have loved to hold that? Or this 35,200 level long, okay? So we are traders helping traders here. Look at, we're getting a nice pump now. Oh, let's go, moonshots. We are not shorting this today, my friends. We are not shorting this today. If you want to short it, good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. We can see that we have massive momentum to the upside right now. Okay, go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Massive, massive momentum. Where does the momentum start? I'd say the momentum started down here. However, we can start from here and look up. Whoa, look at that. Okay, we zoom in a bit. We could say we could come back down here before we continue upwards, okay? So nice push up right now. However, we could come back here and retest and then continue upwards. There's many options here. There's many options. Don't fight the trend right now. That's my suggestion. That's my suggestion. Hard to find an exit. Exit not short. 37,300 to 37,800. We may have a huge block of single prints for many from May 2022 drop. My nose is running. Okay, I'm back. Take some off the table. Pay yourselves, my friends. There's always more trades to happen. Okay, there's always going to be more trades. However, we are flying. We are flying right now. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So last night, couldn't even get an answer. It's a tune. Look how many liquidations there were, man. Holy Scheisenhausen. Okay. In the last 24 hours, there have been 25 million shorts racked. Okay, guys? Look at this. The exchanges are just making so much money off liquidations right now. This is wild, okay? So be careful. Please be careful with the shorts. Even be careful with the longs, man. Even be careful, because they are wicking everybody out, okay? They are. Be very aware, okay? Be very aware. Hey, Mrs. Otter, how are you doing? Where are you going? How are you feeling this morning? You feel what? Do you feel better? Bitcoin, you want to see our portfolio? Look, Bitcoin's at 37,000. You want to see it? You want to see it? Does this make you want to start a family? Let's refresh it. Oh, yeah? Oh. Does that make you want to start a family? Oh. That portfolio, you know. I love you too. Have a safe walk. And she says, hi, everyone. And she loves you. Mrs. Otter says, Mrs. Otter wants to start a family. She sends her love to everyone. She's going for a walk. And she likes that portfolio. What's that thing? You got to show. You got to bring your ledger on that first date. Oh man. Oh, good times. That's Mrs. Otter, everyone. Mrs. Otter in the house. Now she's going out of the house. Oh, good times, good times. I love sharing. I love sharing with you guys. You guys make me laugh. Okay, so let's look at these levels. Let's stop all this shenanigan. Let's give you guys the levels. So the levels I went through and double checked these levels this morning, just because there are some key stops along the way. Okay, my big one's 37.4 right now. Okay, so we're gonna mark these out for all you beautiful people. Like we do all the time, right? Like we do all the time. We always do this because you know what? And with these numbers, if you can get a psychological number out of them, like 37,428, make that 37,400, man. Okay? Just simplify it, whatever it is, because those numbers psychologically, who wants to press 428 when you can press 400? Okay? Think about entering a trade. That's how I always do it. So these are my key levels right now. However, if we do come down, if we do come down, it's to this box, I think. It's to this box. So I'm going to save this chart. I'll give it to the Discord, as we always do. But right now, we're watching these levels to the upside. Now, these are pulled, if you want to know, these are pulled from over here. Let's go for an adventure to the left, okay? We go to an adventure to the left. And what can we see over here? Okay? What can we see? We can see that price is here. Price is this white dotted line, okay? Wow, we are flying, man. 37,140. Price is here. We have some stops above us, right? Support and resistance throughout, volume nodes throughout, okay? So we need to know where price is going to have a reaction in order to make trades, right? So we pull these levels and then we transfer them to where we're trading now to give us some information so that we can help you guys find areas where price might react and go the opposite way. However, the only way right now seems to be up. 37,165. We are putting in new highs as we speak, man. We are putting in new highs as we speak. Beautiful, beautiful Bitcoin to the moon. Just putting in higher highs, man. Just putting in higher highs. So we do have a key level at 37,400 if we do get up there today. We're trying to buy these dips, right? We're trying to buy these dips. We could have drawn a trend line here. Look at this. Oh, there was our entry for that. Could have done that this morning. No bueno for me. I'm not fighting it. I should have bought, but it's hard because of how the market is definitely behaving right now. It's They're wrecking the longs too, okay? Don't get it twisted. They are pumping, but they are quickly coming back down, grabbing. So I got knocked out of my trade yesterday because of this move here, right? I was in such a beautiful long yesterday, and I moved the stop loss to entry, and I got knocked out, okay? So be very careful trading these things. Candle Daddy, what's going on, man? Daddy's in the house. It's been a while. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Oh, you mean a range filter with signals on moving averages, 921 cross signals? I mean, hi, IQ. I like palindromic numbers, particular sequences. You guys are alpha traders, man. Ace, what's going on, man? How we doing, Ace? Good to see you, brother. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Copy trade for the wins. Okay. Copy traded. Hope you're all in along. That's all I gotta say, man. Hope you're all in along. Beautiful parabolic move last night, man. Beautiful. Look at us fly here. I believe I can fly. I'm gonna get. Can I get? If I'm not monetized, I can't get copyright infringement, right? Let's get the subscribers up, man. We're here every morning, 8:30. We're almost at 500. I think we're at like 470. Much love to every single one of you guys for supporting this channel. You guys are here every morning. You regulars, you know who you are. I appreciate you guys so much. Let's go. Pump up the price, baby. Let's go. Wow. Bitcoin's flying. Bitcoin's flying. Everybody this morning's in a FOMO trade. Getting long, baby. Getting long. Let's go. Let's go. They're pumping the market. So we're going to go over market cipher. What led to this move? We're at 325. We're at 310. Holy shit. We're making huge gains, my friends. Huge gains. We are going to the moon on the live. This is incredible, man. This is incredible. This is incredible. You guys are incredible. ADA's flying. Bitcoin's flying. Have you heard of TRB? Oh, man. 37,300 and whew, we come up and touched it. We came up and touched it, my friends. Look at that. Look at that. Key level of resistance. The key level of resistance. Is that going to be the rejection that I was looking for? 37,400? Is that going to be the one, guys? Are we going higher? Are we going higher? You can't get copyright covering a song. You can sing all you want. I can sing all I want. I believe I can fly. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. 37,400. Look at the respect it got, guys. Don't say I didn't know that. I've had that on my chart forever, man. Look at that. Can I get a 1 in the chat for the fucking best level right there? Come on. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Come on. I'm so close, man. 399.6 on Bybit. Crimson Caravan Company. What's going on? Whenever I say your full name, Crimson Caravan Company, I feel like that guy, Ancient Astronaut Theorists. Ancient Astronaut Theorists. Crimson Caravan Company. Let's go. Look at that level, guys. Look at that level. Let's go. Ones are going in the chat, man. Let's go. Fuck yeah, man. Much love to every single one of you guys. Let's go. That's awesome. We love the TA. They say TA don't work. We're off by 0.4. 0.4. Come on. That's awesome. Crimson Ancient Astronaut Theorists. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Much love to every single one of you guys. We got the chat firing off, man. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. We'll go through the market cipher for you guys right now. So hold on tight. Bitcoin's flying off the handles. We got the levels for you guys. We've given them in advance. We always give them in advance. Always here trying to help you guys be profitable, okay? So make sure you pay yourselves on moves like this. We're getting a beautiful 1% move this morning. It's Thursday, baby. It's supposed to be Thursday dump days. However, it's Thursday pump it to the moon days, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So let's go through the beautiful market cipher B here on all these levels that we just gave you guys for free, as we always do, because everything here is free. We're traders helping traders. I don't need your money. I just want your time and your community and you to help other people and elevate this community to higher levels. That's what it's all about here, man. It's traders helping traders. Okay, if I can learn from you, you can learn from me, and let's all compound our knowledge and learn together. That's what it's all about here. So, going through Market Cipher B, I just want to be a channel who helps you guys build the community around each other so that we can all help each other, man. I don't want anything from you guys. I don't say yes to any of those affiliate stuff. I don't say yes to any of that stuff. I say, sod off. We're here to help the community and help traders become profitable, right? That's what we're trying to do here. That's what we're trying to do. Okay, so on the weekly here, beautiful, beautiful green dot pushing us up. Very much getting oversold now, okay? Very much getting oversold. Coming up to key level resistance that we marked out, okay? That we have marked out on a chart, that we know that there's volume up here waiting for us if we pull the volume from here to here. We know that they're just waiting for us, sucking us up into the point of control here. We know that there's volume here. So we take this area, boom, from here to here, right? We take this area from this key volume node at the top here to this volume node to the bottom here, and we drag this horizontally across, okay? We need to get up into this area. If we get up into this area, I do believe we trend sideways for a little bit, okay? That would be healthy. Healthy would be this, okay? However, with this much beautiful news coming out, if we get up above this area that we have marked out on our chart, up into this volume cluster here, and it is quite a big one, right? We got 40,000 all the way down to 37.4 that we just marked out. So we just knocked on the door right now, okay? We just knocked on the door. So that's kind of the idea here, is we need to get above there and trend sideways. That would be beautiful. That would allow alts to catch up with Bitcoin, right? As we can see, they're all catching up with Bitcoin. Even Gala, we weren't sure about the long here on Gala because it wrecks people, but look, it's up into the next box, okay? So we're watching everything, and Total 2 is looking to break out, baby, minus Bitcoin, so this will chase Bitcoin all the way up, okay? People take their profits from Bitcoin, put them into alts, and the rotation begins, okay? So we're very cautious of that, okay? So going into the 5-day, we can see we're getting a bit overbought here where we're looking to curl over, okay? Curling over, 4-day curling over. Money flow is in the green, though, on the 3-day. Now, this is what we were waiting for, okay? We were waiting for this 3-day money flow to come to the upside. It has done so, okay? Very beautiful. We can see the posturing on the VWAP, too, is pushing upwards to the 0 line, okay? We had that crossover yesterday on the daily, okay? That's what brought us up. We were looking at this on the daily, and we're like, damn, Daniel, this is going to fly. This is going to fly. Look at this money flow. It's thicker than my thighs, even though I'm pretty skinny. And it's moving up this way here. Beautiful VWAP crossover that we were looking at. Oh, man, green dot confirmed. Massive moonshot. Look at this, nonstop. We got the FUD news about the ETF being approved between now and November 17th. There's so much going on in the universe right now that we need to be prepared, okay? We need to be prepared. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat, much love to you. I hope you feel better, my friend. Jonathan Schaefer, send positive healing vibes to Jonathan Schaefer. He's not feeling well. I said, an old Italian trick is to boil milk, pour 2 shots of grappa into the milk just before bed. Drink it. Go to bed, put on lots of covers, and you'll wake up in like a pool of sweat, but you'll be cured, okay? King D in the chat, what's going on? I came late. Why we need to saw off. Why we need to saw off. Well, we'll see. Jeanette, what's going on? Good to see you, Jeanette. Much love to you. Thank you so much for being here. I'm sure your Rune Coin's doing great. I hope your Rune Coin's doing great. Oh, man, what a pump. What a pump. The levels were respected this morning. It's beautiful to see. The daily has pumped us up, okay? So what can we look for in the short term? Well, we have all of our levels, right? We have all of our levels that we're looking. We're above this golden pocket. However, I was looking at, if we go on the daily here and we pull down, we get rid of this volume, right? We get rid of this volume, and we can see that, poof, we pull this up like this, and we go, okay, Big Daddy, let's pull the Big Daddy Fibonacci, okay? We pull the Big Daddy Fibonacci, okay? And we pull that from here to here. And we can see that we're above the golden pocket now, okay? So we were looking at that like, oh, we might get a retracement. Oh, well, the market maker says otherwise, okay? The market maker says otherwise. Oh, man, we're coming up again? 288. Okay, 295. Wow. There is 15 people here and 10 likes. Let's get those likes up. Let's get those likes up. Now we're coming up here to 41,200. 786. So that's something to be aware of. That's definitely something to be aware of, okay? Make sure you're aware. Now, I was trying to see if I could find any extension levels within this little range down here. So if I pull this up here, okay, we get into the little range here. Before we had to move up, we pull this back up. We pull this back up again. Okay, we got a nice. So this wick is only on Bybit. So we're gonna pull it up higher here to this wick here, and then we're gonna pull this one to the top over here. Okay. Now, it's pretty cool how the extension level worked here. Can we get up to this 2/1 area of extension level at 39,000, right? We said this volume gap, we said, oh, look at the move, baby. Look at the move, baby. We flying. 37,750. 37,780. Oh my God. 800. 838,000, baby. Holy shit. This is crazy. This is crazy. Let's zoom in. This is crazy. Let's go. Get to the chopper. Oh, man. I'm not screaming. You're screaming. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. How you guys feeling? How you guys feeling? This is pretty fucking awesome, man. This is pretty friggin' awesome, man. I'm just gonna get the coffee. I'm just gonna watch this. I'm gonna drink some coffee right now. I'm gonna drink some coffee. John Wick's in the house. Shout out to you, John Wick. Hope you're well, John Wick. Holy smokes, Batman. Holy smokes, Batman. We have flown off the... I don't even know how to explain it. What's going on? What's going on? I'm trying to find some news. Do we got any news? Does anybody know of any news going on right now? All I know is this is at 37,600. Oh my God, guys. This is insane, man. This is insane. Look at this pump, guys. We are cracking the barriers on the live stream, guys. On the live stream, guys. Wow. We are back up into that volume node, guys. We are back up. Holy shit. This is awesome. Don't FOMO in. I see you. You want to click buy. I see you. Don't press buy. Don't you dare. I can see you. I can see you marketing in. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Let's see if it comes back to the 37.4. 37.4 for retest, okay? Let's see if it comes back to the 37.4 for a retest before continuing upwards. Okay? If you're FOMOing, FOMO with caution, okay? Wow. This is ready to break out. What do we got across the cryptoverse? Ethereum's breaking out. 1%. Ethereum. Look at Ethereum. Whew. We got Ethereum. Like we said this morning, if we get above this box, man, Ethereum's breaking out. Bitcoin's flowing up. New all-time high, 38,000. We have hit 38,000, my friends. That's fucking awesome, man. I should have waited to show her my ledger. I'm going to show it to her when she gets back from the walk. She's going to be like, oh. I'll never make that noise again. Promise you guys. I FOMO'd in like 15 minutes ago, so I'm good. Let's go, guys. We're at 37,685. Holy shit, man. This is great. This is great. So our next level is 38,200. This is our box, okay? This is our box that we're looking to trade in now. So now that we've come up, blasted through that resistance, this is our next level. We'll look for price to establish itself above here, okay? So we were going on the daily. We were doing some TA, and this happened, okay? So never mind those extension levels. Let's just look at the price now and where we're at. So we're looking to trade within this area here, up to 40,000. Okay, so this is the area here. So we're up through the bottom of it now. So that's very good to see. Now we're looking to flip it to support, okay? We're coming back down quite aggressively right now. 37.5, 50. Coming down quite aggressively right now. We're looking to bounce off of this level of support here around 420, 400, 420, whatever you're into. And continuation upwards, man. Wow. Massive move this morning, guys. Massive move this morning. So, what else are we looking at? Well, we're looking at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is coming up. Okay, we were saying we're going to get a bounce from this level on Bitcoin dominance. We drew it very squiggly. However, we got that bounce, right? We got that bounce. Having an idea of Bitcoin dominance going to shoot to the moon after that information we had yesterday. Bitcoin dominance is working its way back up. You need to get above this area here around 54%. We're thinking 57% is our target. We're at 37,500, guys. Come on. We were at 25,000. How long ago? How long ago? September 23rd. It's taken a month and we're up here now. Taken 1 month. Wow. It's crazy to think, right? It's crazy to think. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. I appreciate every single one of you. So we do have levels. Join us in the free Discord. Always giving the levels in advance, trying to help you guys stay profitable. That's how we roll. Good luck. Have fun. Press buy. That's what I'm going to say. Okay. Join us in the free Discord. Always here, chatting it up. Trying to help you guys. Schaefer, man. Schaefer's up $1,500 on his trade. Let's effing go, Schaefer, man. Good morning, Benny. Good morning. We on the live, man. Join us on the live. Join us on the live. Good job, Schaefer. You're a legend, man. You're a legend. Love to see you guys win, man. You have no idea. I love seeing you guys win. It's so fucking cool. It's so fucking cool. You guys deserve the world, man. Don't let anybody tell you you don't. Traders helping traders, man. That's what it's all about. Giving it away for free because we're not making any money off of this. This is just me giving away what I've learned over the years to help you guys, man. And then by helping you guys can help me. Be like, hey, Alex, look at this. Look at this sequence, or look at this trend line, or look at this level, or look at this area, right? And by you guys sharing your stuff, I get to take my stuff and learn your shit, right? Link for the Discord's in the description below, my friend. In the description below. It should be. I don't know. I got to ask Schaefer about that. I mean, I give all my trade setups for free. All of them. You know, I scalp, but whenever I'm looking at something, I share it. Almost every single morning, I share my trade setups. This one was nice. Oh, that one was really nice. 34,600. Oh, that one was nice. So we're just here. Pink hats matter, and Google sent me here. Yes, pink hats do matter. They do matter. Because I wore this hat because it's not just a pink hat, okay? It's not just a pink hat. The wellness reset, baby, okay? Take time for you. It's about mindset, my friends. It's about mindset. It's about trading psychology. Are you feeling FOMO right now? Are you feeling greed right now? What are you feeling? Not many traders talk about it because they don't trade. They don't trade like we do. We're in and out of these charts every single day on the charts trying to make money either to pay our bills or to try to create a life of freedom for ourselves and our families. That's what I'm here. Right? I ain't here messing around. I'm here to try to build wealth for me and my family. I don't know what you guys are planning to do here, but hopefully you guys are here doing the same things for yourself and your family and your friends and the people you care about. Right? I could be on these charts just trading by myself, but I figured if we build a community of like-minded people, traders helping traders, we're all giving it away for free and sharing ideas, then just like Mr. Beast said, you know, he had 4 guys creating videos and all 4 of them were learning together, right? And by that, they were compounding the knowledge that all of them were getting and learning the mistakes. When one made a mistake, the other 3 people learn from that mistake. So if one of us makes a mistake, we can share that and learn from that mistake. If one of us has success, we can learn from that success. And by compounding our knowledge together, we can unify and create a fucking weapon. Okay? That's what it's about. That's what it's about. Work together, look at things together, alpha together, man. Do you have a video on how to find level you trade? Yeah, of course I do. I made a video. I made a video 2 weeks ago. I'll find it for you. I don't know what my mods are doing. They're just relaxing right now. They're just relaxing right now. Oh, I'm such a shit disturber. Perfect trading levels, FRVP. Come over here, Alexo Crypto. Perfect trading levels, FRVP. There's that one. Perfect entries. There's this one too. And start to finish. I made these 3 videos here. If you go over to my videos, I'd suggest this one. Trade setups, but I'd suggest this one. Here, I can share it. There you go. There you go. Pump it again. Pump it again. 37,700. Wow, this is great, guys. This is great. This is great. Look at this momentum, man. Look at this shit. Holy smokes, Batman. Can't stop, won't stop. Like I said, we've flipped this 37,400 area. We're looking to trade with between 40,000 really, but 39,000 I'd say. 39,000 and 37,400. We have some resistance above us around 38,200. And then that big 39,000, okay? So lots of news coming out. Bitcoin doesn't care. Bitcoin just doesn't care. It's just flying, okay? We got 6 minutes till market opens. Let's see how the S&P reacts to this. It's going to be very interesting. S&P, we were talking about yesterday, we're at a key level of where we're looking for it to break out, okay? It's at 44,000. 4,400. This key level of resistance. Okay, of resistance, sacre bleu, kikatsu. Okay, so we're at this key level where if we get this move here, and we get a little bit of a dump ski continuation here on the Dixie, then we can look for higher prices on Bitcoin. Okay? I know it's funny to talk about. Bitcoin to the moon, right? Bitcoin to the moon. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if it does come down a little bit here to fake everybody out. It's got to grab liquidity, right? It's got to grab liquidity. So it's not going to give us the straight moonshot every time. This has been a gift this morning, I think. This has been a gift. I think a cool off and then a continuation upwards would be imminent. However, not financial advice, obviously. Okay? Not financial advice. Sorry, lurking and working. Damn mods. Pumping again. Mods are overrated. Absolutely. Says Mark Dutch, Mr. Tino. Mark Dutch, don't you mod for Tino? I'm pretty sure you got a wrench over there, bro. Wellness matters too. Absolutely. What's going on, Mark Dutch? Good to see you, my friend. Hope you're doing well. The man, the myth, the legend. Mark with a C. Mark sees everything. Okay? Let's go through the time frames now in Market Cypher B. I know we haven't gotten to it, so let's do it. I have a day job. That's it. That's it. Hey, I get it, man. I was a carpenter for so long. 12 years carpenter, so 20 hour. Everything's just skyrocketing right now. Money flows up, VWAP's up. 12 hour. Okay, overbought. Overbought, money flow to the upside, right? So 12 hours, bullish as fucking ever. Sorry. Pardon my language, okay? I clicked no, this is not for kids, okay? I'm going to swear sometimes, okay? I'm mudding for Tino and Andy Bitcoin Census. Yes, Andy. Andy's got some slick Fibonacci moves, man. I like Andy. He's got some slick Fibonacci. Tino's got the flavor. The flavor. As long as they're being kind and helping people, I don't care. Awesome. Check Discord. You guys tell me to check Discord all the time. Aw, you guys are amazing. Look at that. You guys are amazing. All right? We're just trying to make otters great again. Okay? This is interesting, says Jonathan Schaefer. The whale is market buying 50 million of Bitcoin every 3 hours. Feels like they know something about tomorrow's ETF approval. Windows. Ooh, shit. That's interesting, guys. Lunar Beach's crypto with his waves. He's got the wave patterns here. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody and the brothers, come on, that's right. Around the corner. Anybody counts to 5. Come on, don't tell me you don't sing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, you lying if you don't. You're lying if you don't. You're lying if you don't. You're lying if you don't. Beautiful, beautiful wave pattern. What is this level here? You got 37,600. Okay, we've come up and touched that box. Retrace down and pump to the moon. This chart is a month old. Look at you, Lunar Beaches Crypto, making calls, bro. Look, making calls, man. Making calls. That's beautiful. Okay, we're hovering around this 37,400 key level of resistance that we said we were going to. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. We got the S&P opening up in 30 seconds, guys. In 30 seconds. He likes his Elliott wave. Hello. My name's Elliott. I don't do Elliott wave, so I know the concept, but hello, Elliott. How you doing? This is my... Okay, I'll stop being a dumbass. 1, 2, 3, uptown. Everybody, everyone. Come on. Around the corner. You might want to visit Cohen's Trading. He's great. Yeah, Cheeky Crypto does very good Elliott Wave as well. Cheeky Crypto. If you want to learn Elliott Wave, it's just market structure, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But Cheeky Crypto does a lot of Elliott Waves as well. Mark Dutch says Cohen's Trading. He's great. So that's awesome to see. Yeah. So there's people out there. I've learned it basically from Cheeky Crypto. The concept. I don't use it to trade, okay? However, the concept's really cool. It makes sense. It makes sense. Also, Coins Kid. Coins Kid uses Elliott Wave theory. Coins Kid is another great channel you guys should check out. Coins Kid here, doing XRP. Okay, we see we got a beautiful 1, 2, 3 correction pattern here, and we're going up. Love Coins Kid. Love Coins Kid. There's great traders out there. We're just here to build a community of traders to help traders become profitable, and that's what it's about here. So you guys are great. Okay, so 4 hour, extremely overbought. Okay, extremely overbought. Money flows in the green, same kind of thing. We can see here very much a chop city of the money flow. Okay, so money flow remains green. It kind of dips and flows, dips and flows, dips and flows. Right now we're quite above here, so this is quite interesting to see. We can see we're very overbought, though, coming up, making massive moves. Okay, so we are saying we would like to see the cool down to 37.5, 37.4. However, my cool down area is definitely this 30. I like to at least to revisit. However, we might not get it. Okay, we might not get it. If you're looking for longs, okay. If you're looking for longs. Right now, this is not an opportunity to short. You could have grabbed this wick. However, very, very risky to fight the trend right now. As you can see, it's very parabolic, okay? Down on the 1 hour, like for me, right now, I'm looking for a pullback in a long. That's what I'm looking for all day. I'm kind of regretting not longing this morning. There's an opportunity here for this pullback. Nope, sorry. From this pullback here. However, you can't FOMO in. You can't just FOMO in on these things, okay? You can see that we had the nice trend line here. We came back and we touched it, and this was your entry right there. Continuation of this uptrend. That was your entry right there. Didn't take it. However, we can be patient here. We know we have our key levels below us that we're looking for support. Now, how is this opening up? Let's take a look at the Dixie. The Dixie is... the Dixie looks like it's coming down. Let's see. 1 hour. Going over the 1 hour, Dixie is trying to come down. Okay, trying to come down. Let's see which way the S&P opened. Did it open up positive this morning? Let's zoom in 15 minutes. Oopsie. Right click to cancel your tools, okay? We've opened up positive, but we have come down, okay? We opened up positive, but we have come down. We are trying to get above this key level of resistance on the S&P. However, we are getting a friggin' dumperelli right now, so we might not get up there today. So keep your eyes on the prize, my friends. Keep your eyes on the prize. The NASDAQ is flying, okay? We do have some gaps that should be filled, but they're not getting filled because Bitcoin doesn't care. Dominance flying off the handles. Or no, this is the CME. So we do have a CME gap below us here, guys, that we did not fill, okay? That we did not fill around 34,000. However, it doesn't look like we're ever coming back. Dominance is pushing higher, okay? But we can see that we have had moves on ADA, Ethereum breaking out, right? You can get momentum here on Ethereum to the upside, right? Look for the retrace and the pop back up, okay? Retrace, continuation. Okay, so we look for that on Ethereum. Matic, flying, okay? Flying. Everything's flying right now. Gala, flying, okay? Solana, flying. Link, flying, okay? I know I'm repeating myself. However, don't forget to take profits, my friends, okay? Don't forget to take profits. That's all I got to say. Thank you guys so much for being here. We got 13 people here and 13 likes. That's what I like to see, baby. That's what I like to see. Now we're flying off the handles. And we'll see if there's any trade setups. Join us in the Discord. Free. Traders helping traders. Wearing pink hats sometimes and gray hair. Trying to eliminate the grays. However, AOC flying. Caca. Tomorrow tomorrow we have Lunar Beaches Crypto on the show, man. Looking forward to that. I'm going to tell him to prepare something for you guys. I want to see what he's cooking. What has he got for the Otter Gang? Good friend of the channel, man. Thank you for coming by tomorrow, Lunar Beaches Crypto. If we have any technical issues, they will be my fault. I'm very aware of that. I am not, I swing hammer. I measure shit. I'm very good with my tape measure. However, sometimes the tech stuff right over my head. Lunar Beaches Crypto was kind enough to show me how to set it up. Thank you, Lunar Beaches Crypto, and all your support. But thanks, guys, for being here. I hope you enjoyed the live. I enjoyed your time. We got a massive pump, okay? We got a massive pump. Hold on to your rocking chairs, grannies, because we're coming for you. That good old Bitcoin is flying to the moon. Much love. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful Thursday. May the force be with you. Peace out. Bye. This is why I wore a hat. This is why.